guys, and welcome to Beauty Now's YouTube channel. My name is Bianca, and today we're going to be talking about Amouage Reflection Man. Amouage is a renowned niche perfume brand that exudes luxury and craftsmanship. With their opulent fragrances and exclusive packaging, Amouage has become synonymous with timeless elegance and sophistication. Getting an Amouage fragrance is an experience from the start. The perfume comes beautifully packaged, the silver accents on the box really bringing out the accents in the bottle. The bottle and cap have a solid weight to them, really making you feel like you're owning a luxury product. What's also really satisfying is the Amouage signature reflective cap. It has such a satisfying way of opening and closing. But let's get to what's the most important, the scent. Amouage Reflection Man is a woody musk floral fragrance. It is appropriate both for daytime wear and special occasions, making this an incredibly versatile fragrance. The top notes of this fragrance are rosemary, pink pepper, and petitgrain. Middle notes are jasmine, neroli, orris root, and ylang-ylang. And the base notes are sandalwood, vetiver, cedar, and patchouli. This perfume has great longevity, lasting through the entire day with a community rating of 8.1 out of 10. In terms of sillage, Amouage Reflection Man scores a 7.7 out of 10, which makes it one of the better performing fragrances in this category. This fragrance is very versatile, being appropriate for a range of events. From the office to date night, this perfume will last you the entire day and night, making sure that you turn heads with your fragrance. But don't just take my word for it. The perfume community has described this fragrance as the best-kept secret of elegance with a luxurious feel, while others say Amouage Reflection is like capturing sophistication in a bottle. You can shop this gem at a special price on beautynow.com, as well as discover over 150 niche perfume brands at special prices. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like this video, as well as follow us on Instagram and TikTok at BeautyNowNL for more exclusive perfume content, special deals, and giveaways. See you on the next one!